Hello everyone, my name is Christina Costa from Black2J. So now I'm going to share you how to install Tony. So click lang itong Google Chrome and then type Tony. And then pindutin natin tong Tony Python ID for beginners. Tsaka may makikita tayong download version 4.1.7 for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So, ang pipindutin natin dito is yung window. And then, may makikita tayong installer with 64-bit Python 3.10, installer with 32-bit Python 3.8, portable variant with 64-bit Python 3.10, portable variant with 32-bit Python 3.8. So, ang pipindutin natin dito is yung installer with 64-bit Python 3.10. So, pag na-download na siya, click and then next and then next and then install. So, wait lang natin siya, guys. So, finish na natin. And then, punta na tayo sa Tony Apps. And so, try na natin siya, guys. Print hello world. Click ko lang. Hello world. So, kapag i-start natin siya, guys, makikita po dito kapag ni-run. And then, another example. My name. So, ayun na siya, guys. I-start na natin siya. So, dito na po makikita yung na-run. And then, punta tayo, i-save na natin siya. Save all file. And then, yung save. So, punta tayo sa files. And then, so, yan na po, guys. That's all. Thank you.